was not me. I'm sorry. Hey guys, quick in the bush here. So let you guys know that I am getting this mood, some kind of mood, that don't want to do pranks anymore. I'm not saying I don't. I really do. I love them. I love doing them. But I feel like I'm losing you guys as an audience, and I hate that feeling. And maybe it's because I don't post much, or maybe because I'm just too lazy to go and do it, even though it's fun as hell. But I love you guys, and I seriously want you guys to watch my videos and subscribe to me and all that stuff. I want you guys to enjoy me. And but anyway, I have a couple more videos I'm going to be throwing at you guys soon. And I really hope you enjoyed this very short video. This prank is very hard to do because people just are assholes these days. But anyway, hit the subscribe button and like button. Thanks, guys.
You know my name. Yeah. Girl, I'm talking to you.